So hey everyone, today we will solving this minimum extraction problem of good forces. So it is saying that we have given an array of length n and we can perform the following operation until the a has length which is strictly greater than 1. So what are the operation that we can choose the minimum values from that given array and we can subtract each and every element from that minimum values, and we have to find what is the maximum minimum value which we can get, right? So here we can say that 1 6 minus 4 minus 2 and minus 4 is given, so the minimum value is minus 4. So what it's doing, it is subtracting it from the every element and then it is getting this, and each time it is taking one minimum and subtracting it from the given array, that element will be eliminated, right? And we have to find the possible minimum values. See, what is given? So as we have to find the minimum in at every go, so what I'm doing, I'm first sorting the array itself. Okay, so see here, I have sorted the array and it is, this is the test case. I'm taking this test case. I'm taking this one. So I have sorted the array and then this one is 1. Okay, so I'm taking this and I'm subtracting from the remaining elements, and then I'm getting this. Then in this will be the minimum element. I again have to sort it. So no, I don't need to sort it now here. So again, this will be the minimum element. I'm again subtracting it from the remaining element and I'm getting this. And I'm doing this until I'm reaching the length of the array is 1. And I don't have to return answer the final element. In between these process, what is the maximum minimum value that I got, I have to return that. See, in example, I can here the minimum value is 1. Here the minimum value is still 1. Here the minimum value is 5, and here the minimum value is 3. So I have to return the maximum values among these. So this is a tricky question, and if you apply here uh, loop twice, so it will give you uh, time limit error, because here the value of n ranges from 1 to 2 into 10 to the power 5. So if you will run loop twice, so it will give you runtime error. So instead of that, what we'll do, we will observe a pattern. See, here you can observe one thing, that the maximum minimum values that one can give is 1 itself. It cannot give the value which is greater than 1, right? What about 2 then? The maximum value that 2 can give is 2 minus 1, which is its preceding element, right? Now, what about 7? See here, the maximum values which 7 can give is 7 minus its preceding element in sorted array, which is 2. So the maximum value 7 can give is 5. See here. And the maximum value which 10 can give is 10 minus its preceding value in sorted array. And that's a trick for with the help of which you can solve this question in view of an uh, operations. Okay, so here I'm showing you the code because it will take long to code in front of you. That's why I have already written the code. First, these two lines I'm taking the input, uh, and here till here I have taken the inputs. I'm sorting the array and I am initializing the max minimum with the first element of our given array. Okay, now this is the residual. I am taking the residual starting at start. I'm taking the residual as 0 because here I have to subtract nothing from this first array, first element of this array, right? I have to subtract nothing. That's why I'm taking 0 here. And in each uh, at each I, what I'm doing, I'm subtracting the previous preceding element from the current element, and then I'm comparing it with is it greater than maximum minimum value or not, and then I'm getting the maximum minimum values. So this was this was the short trick for this question. Thank you and see you all later.